So this US dollar CAD analysis for Wednesday, the 2nd of May. Now, let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had price come up towards the 129, so the sell side momentum come into the market again, tested the 129. And again, we did see the sell side momentum, brief pullback, possibly a lower high. We didn't see the breakdown towards that 127.78. We did break below the 128.39, however. We didn't come down towards the 128 either. So what we did see was another retest of the 129. So we've had three tests of the 129, and again we've had a failure and seen sell side momentum come into the market. So the bears seem to be a lot of bearish momentum in around this area, or the bulls are taking profit, whatever the case may be. And there seems to be a lot of selling in around that 129 level. Now, from this 129, we do appear to be breaking down from this 128.39. At the very next level of potential support. So we appear to be breaking down from there and forming a new level of potential support in and around the 128.20 or so. So let's just get this right. So in around that 128.20, we have seen that's where the new level of support appears to be at the moment, in around that 128.20. Now we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average here. In the breakdown. So if we do see momentum return and we do break back above the 128 for a fourth test of that 129 level. If we do break from this 129 to the upside, the levels that we are looking at here to the upside is the very next level of importance is around at 129.44, successful break from which we've got the likely psychological level and a very strong level where we previously found resistance in around that 130 level. Now, if we do fail to break back above and test this 28.39 and break and hold that 128.39, we're looking for a breakdown towards that 127.78, a very strong major level marked out here in red. Successful break from which we're looking for price head down towards that 127.56. And if we do break down from there, the very next level of importance would be that 127 level here. Very next horizontal level of importance, 127, while being aware of the 400 period moving average, which could potentially act as a dynamic level of support. And we see buy side momentum return to the market from that level. Now, let's just have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. Get scaling on here correct. And on this daily chart, we can see here pretty clearly we've had this strong move from this 25.30. We've come towards this 129, and again, as indicated by these wicks, we are seeing that sell side momentum come into the market on several occasions in and around that level. So if we do see a breakdown, there is a possibility of seeing that retracement all the way down towards the 127 level. And if we do fail there, we've mentioned, we have not mentioned, but we've got the 126.70. Would anticipate prices retracing all the way to the 126.70. I'd expect the 127 to be the far end of the range here to the downside. If we do see a deeper retracement than we are at present. Overall, the most recent trend is clearly to the upside, despite the fact that we have seen some weakness on the US dollar CAD. And with that said, that wraps up the US dollar CAD action.